Good morning, friends. I'm Ganesh here. Today we will see the next topic, plane scale. Today we will see that how to draw the plane scale in detail and what are the things while drawing, what are the things you have to observe and how to get a full marks in the examination. Okay, we will see one question which is come in the All India examination and I will explain how to create using AutoCAD software. Now we will see one question here, plane scale. Construct a plane scale of 1 is to 400 to show meters and long enough to measure up to 60 meters. Measure a distance of 44 meters on a scale. I already told that in a plane scale we can measure two successive units, that is meter and decimeter or centimeter and millimeter, like that. You cannot draw meter and millimeter. Okay, successive only you can measure. So here one unit only they asked, 44. That is, here we have to see only one unit or one unit and its fraction can be measured in the plane scale. So consider this. The given data is RF equals 1 is to 400, that is 1 by 400. It is given in the problem. And the maximum length or long enough to measure, it is also given straight away, 60 meters. Okay, sometimes this plane scale or RF will not be given in a direct format, like 1 is to 400 they are given. Instead of that, they will say in a drawing 400 units is measured as 1 unit, something like that. Okay, indirectly they will tell that the RF of the scale. And what you have to do, so now you know the RF is 1 by 400 and long enough to measure or maximum length is 60 meter. What you have to calculate, to be calculated is minimum length of the scale. I told my earlier video that to calculate a minimum length of scale of the scale, there is one formula, that is RF multiplied by maximum length. Here it is given as 1 is to 400, that is 1 by 400. Maximum length you have to show is up to 60 meters, that is the maximum length. So I put 1 by 400 multiplied by 60 meters. Since it is a meter, we cannot put that much length, 1 meter length into the drawing. So you need naturally centimeter. So for that you need to convert this meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to multiply by 100. So 1 by 400 multiplied by 60 meter multiplied by 100. So you will get in centimeter. So 400 here 100, you will get 4 here. That 4 will cancel 60 in 15 times. So the minimum length of the scale from here to here in actual dimension is 15 centimeter. Is that clear? Any doubt? Right. So now you see this is the drawing area, and what you have to do is first we calculate the minimum length of the scale. Okay, so first you have to draw the minimum length of the scale. So from here I drawn one line which comprise here if you see here, this distance is from here to here, 150 millimeter. That is 15 centimeter. I have taken one. I have drawn one line. So next, what you have to do, this 15 centimeter is the norm. So it should look like a one scale. So you have to draw one scale. How much length this? There is no fixed length. You can take as your own, but it should look like a scale. See, if you see this, it look like a scale. So how much? So maximum you can take here 150.1, that is 15 millimeter you can take. So 15 centimeter you can take as a 1.5. So whatever length you are taking, that could be divided by 3. If that way, if you are taking, that would be nice. So why I am saying this means, this will give you a clear view. Okay, let us see how what I meant. The next part is, so from here I need to divide that, because your maximum long enough to measure is 60 meter. So this length 15 centimeter you should divide by 6 parts. Okay, so here I should draw this 6 parts. So to draw this 6 part, from here you draw any line at any angle. This also, like, it is free to you. You can draw any one from here or here. Okay, wherever you want to draw means you can draw. So anywhere you can draw. So I drawn here. So this and this you divide by 6 parts. So you take on your bow compass at your convenient arc length. From this point you cut arcs into 6 arcs of any length. See, I am drawing here one arc. From this point I drawn one arc. So this is of my wish only. I can say some 1 millimeter, I mean 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter or 1.2 centimeter, whatever length. So you can take. So the same length I have taken this bow compass now. Then you put your leg here and cut arc here and cut arc here, cut arc here. Like this I made 6 arcs. Right? Now from this last point, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I made 6 segment. So the last segment you connected to here, that last line. Similarly, you can, if you are having two set square, one you put and parallel to this, you can put parallel lines from here. You can draw. Otherwise, take the mini drafter and set it to this line, lock it and draw the parallel lines. So all the parallel lines will be drawn here. So this is nothing but you are dividing this 15 centimeter into 6 equal parts. Now from here you are drawing one line, right? So this is how you are divided by 6 parts. So now here I made 3. I told you to the length you are taking, that should be divisible by 3, so that you make 3 convenient parts. This is for only for decorative. There is no meaning here. Only to identify this and only to decorative part. Okay. This is nothing. Without that also you can make the scale. Is that clear? Now I made 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and one more is here. Why I put this? That is, earlier I told the rule. Rule is leave the first part and put the 0 here. You take any scale, whether it is a plane scale, vernier scale, diagonal scale, leave the first division and end of the division you put the 0. From there you divide the main scale division. These are all main scale. Now this first part you subdivide into the smaller division. So either this is nothing but, now say suppose this is 5 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. So 6 cent, sorry, mm, 60 meters they said, no? So one unit is measuring 10 meters, and this subdivision is this 10 meters is subdivided into each one is another 1 meter. So the rule number one is you are putting here at the end of this first component, you are putting first division, you are putting a 0. From there you are marking, and what you have to do now, you have to identify this is 0, and you can put the marking here, here. You can put that way also, or similar way. So this is only for decoration part. No need of uh, no any precise information or importance to this. Only to decorate this. Next one, this I told you. This is the, now you see here. I want this the one division. This I want to make into subdivision of this. Now I told here 10 each division is having 10 meters. Now this I divided into 10 equal parts so that each will have 1 decimeter. So these are all 10 decimeter or 1 meter actually, right? Now this is 10 meter or 1 hectometer. So that successive two things, what here, hectometer and meter or meters. Okay, meters and its subdivisions, right? Is that clear first? Right. Now similarly, this you take any convenient angle and convenient length and take the bow compass, you divide this length into 10 equal arcs. So like that I made 10 equal arcs. So the last arc, 10th point, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10th point joined with this end, so that you will get a one line here, this and this I joined. Similar way how you have made this parallel lines, similarly you have to create parallel lines. So suitably adjusting your set square, you can draw the parallel lines. Otherwise simply you can turn the mini drafter and make the scale to the parallel to this, and continuously you draw all the parallel lines here, so that you will receive all the 10. Now project this, you will receive each one segment into 1 meter. Either you can put it here or it will extend to up to here. Okay. So then similar way this also you can that is you can shade the portion so that it will give clear idea how it is looking like. See here, first part is 0, I mean I am not shading. So second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So in your drawing, what they are asking, they have to show you, the question is you have to mark the distance of 44 meters. So from here full one division is 10 meters, 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, 40 meters, 40 meters you are taking in the full divisions, and smaller division is 1 meter, that is also 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So similarly I mark here, and then 44 meters means from here to here, 45 means from here to here, 36 means from here to here. So similar way from here to here means 36 meters. So the main divisions here each is having 10 meters, that is 10 meters, and this is subdivision is each is 1 meter. So now the third rule is you have to put the readings of this divisions. Main scale division is meter, subdivision is that is also meter. Here one unit comprises 10 meter, here one unit comprises 10 meters, here 1 meter. Okay, and the third rule is you have to show the RF in your drawing. Not only this, finally you have to mark how much length, that is the minimum length of the scale. When you are during the calculation you have arrived this 15 centimeter. That is also you have to mark. Minimum length of the scale equal to 15 centimeter. If you are creating like this, okay, all these points, all these values, all the rules you are followed means, then it is you will get absolutely full marks. Is that clear? So here I told you while I am taking class, plane scale means it represents either two successive units or only one unit and its fraction. It consists a line divided into suitable number of equal parts or units. The first is subdivided into smaller parts. What it means that I shown you, the main is main division and this unit is subdivided. Okay. Now I told you that rules. The first one is 0 is to be placed at the end of the first main division. So here that rule, at the end of the first main division, the rule number 1, 0 is to be marked here. This is very important, and subsequently you have to mark the other readings. The second one is from the 0 mark, the units are numbered to the right and its subdivision to the left. So here from the marking 0, the towards right the main division and to the left its subdivisions. Here the main division is consist of one unit is 10 meter. The subdivision consists of one unit is in 1 meter. Is that clear? Right. Third rule. Units of the divisions are stated below or at the respective ends. See, I marked here the unit of the one unit is meters, comprises of 10 meters. This also meters, one unit comprises of 1 meter. That should be your rule number 3. And finally, RF of the scale must be mentioned within it. So here I made RF is equal to 1 by. And apart from these are 4 rules. Apart from that, you have to mark what you have calculated while before drawing. What is the minimum length of the scale? That is RF multiplied by maximum length to show or long enough to measure. That you have to mark it in your drawing. If you finish all these things, then you will definitely get a good mark in your examination. Thank you very much. We'll see in the next class.